Hello friends, this is your girl Goldilocks here, and we are going to be combining a few things today. We're going to use positive imagery, combine that with a little bit of arts and craft, in an effort to beautify our space and of course always promote self-care. So what we have here is I got my MacBook. And this is a MacBook cover that I actually got off of Amazon. I saw some picture somewhere and a young lady had this same cover on their MacBook, and I thought it was so cool because it was like very like nostalgic, like back in the day. That's what people do. I mean, I think they still do that, put stickers on their laptops, put stickers on their notebooks, and it's awesome. Now, I'm not one to put stickers all over my MacBook because these things are not cheap, so I figured why not do it with a cool case and get a little retro thing going here. So this is the case I have here. It is so cool. It has like a really awesome texture to it that feels really good, and the case itself is like very lightweight. I've used a case like this before, which I like. It cracked, so it's time for a new one. I don't know how people go around without cases on their phones or laptop. It scares the crap out of me, so we're gonna make sure we replace this case right away. So that's how it looks so far. It looks just like a notebook. Like honestly, if you just seen it on the table, you probably really wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Look how cool that is. And now while we have a break here, guys, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can get more of this cool self-care and arts and craft goodness. So these are some stickers I also got off of Amazon. They're like, you know, the Black Girl Magic type deals. That one, that's a barber one. I don't know where I got that from. That didn't come with the set, but the rest are in the set. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested. These are just a few that came with the set. It came with like a whole bunch, and these are just the ones that I liked the most and selected. So they look good. The only thing about these, I wish they were shinier. They're like a little dull, which you probably can't tell from the camera, but you know, they are. But they're still cute nonetheless. So that's like how I plan to place them. I took a picture so I would know where they go, put it on my phone, and now we're just going to arrange these cute little stickers exactly how I want them. So I just want to talk a little bit about positive imagery and how it could be like so good for your well-being. I chose these Black Girl Magic stickers in particular, but you guys can choose any images that make you happy or that inspire you. You can use art, pictures of loved ones. I mean, there's anything that makes you happy is great to put in your space because it helps make your life better. It improves your mental well-being, and it can also be relaxing, especially to do some type of project like this. This is why I like to do arts and craft. I have like a very stressful job, so when I get home, I like to do something that's positive and constructive and just good for my overall well-being. So I choose to do like arts and crafts, and I'm going to get more into self-care. This video is going to go up on my arts and crafts channel, but I also am going to put it up on my self-care channel because I think those two things can kind of coincide and like make a beautiful mixture of happiness and well-being and just be visually pleasing. I mean, I think they kind of just go hand in hand in my opinion. So that's what I'm gonna do. If you're looking at this video on my arts and crafts channel, please go and subscribe to my self-care channel so that we can not only make beautiful things but also have a beautiful mindset together. And I just kind of sped this up in case you didn't notice, so I could put my stickers, and voila. And that is how our project looks. Isn't that fabulous? It's so freaking cute. And just to comment on the case itself, as you can see, it really doesn't obstruct you from using your laptop in any way. It works perfectly fine. Now, one thing it will do is there's two Type-C chargers on the side of the laptop. It does block one, FYI. So keep that in mind if you have like multiple cords that are attached to your laptop. But as far as the design, it is absolutely fabulous. So if you guys are gonna do this, like, let me know. Leave a comment, leave a description. If you make a video that's similar, that would be awesome. Other than that, please make sure you again subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and take care of yourself.